Have you spotted dark staining on your walls, ceiling, or bathroom? Are you noticing a persistent musty odor that won't go away no matter how much you clean? You may be dealing with black mold, and it requires professional removal, not a DIY fix. ALM Services is a licensed, bonded, and insured mold remediation company serving Mesa, Phoenix, Scottsdale, Chandler, Gilbert, and the entire valley. Our team specializes in black mold removal, locating both visible and hidden mold, containing the contamination, removing affected materials, and treating surfaces to prevent future growth. Here's why this matters. Cleaning visible mold with household bleach doesn't work. Bleach doesn't penetrate porous materials like drywall or wood, and it doesn't address the moisture source that caused the problem in the first place. Without finding the source, the mold comes back. At ALM, our IICRC certified technicians use advanced moisture detection equipment to find the root cause, whether it's a slow plumbing leak, air conditioning condensation, or prior water damage. Then we eliminate it completely. Customers trust ALM because we are a family-owned Arizona company with over 30 years of experience. As one client shared, James H. Davis said, "ALM Services performed a mold remediation on our house. They were very, very responsive to our accelerated timetable, as we are in the process of selling our house. If you suspect black mold in your Mesa home or business, don't wait. Call ALM Services today at 602-257-8000 or visit almservices.construction.